Hi guys, welcome to Cooking with Dr. Sonu. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. I really appreciate you all. Today we're making a super easy, delicious, healthy, nutrient-dense blueberry and feta cheese salad. I love salads. I eat them almost every day. I love this one. I pack it for lunch twice a week. There's definitely some variations to the salad. The fruits that I love, blueberries, strawberries, pineapples. Today I happen to have some organic blueberries. Here they are. I have an awesome mix of baby spring mix. Here it is. I also have some feta cheese. So a little bit of feta cheese right there. And then finally, some unsalted, toasted, slivered almonds. Here they are. I love Trader Joe's for all my nuts. Trader Joe's sells a variety of awesome nuts. Sweet and spicy pecans, sweet and spicy walnuts, Marcona almonds, rosemary almonds. You can pretty much use any nut that they sell that you like. I'm going to be using this one today, just for that texture. Finally, the salad is unique. There's no designated dressing that you have to make ahead of time. So most dressings call for a base of extra virgin olive oil, some Dijon mustard, some acidity, some vinegar, some salt, and some pepper. However, we are using a sweetened balsamic today with some extra virgin olive oil. I know I have a recipe already in my channel for a balsamic vinaigrette. This is a little bit different. You definitely need a high quality extra virgin olive oil, cold pressed. Here it is. Invest in a good olive oil. They're expensive. It's worth it. Now, the second thing you're going to need is a fruity balsamic vinegar. Make sure you get one that's sweet. Vinegars from Modena are known to be sweet. You need to try it first. When you try it, it should be something that you could drizzle on ice cream. It's got to be sweet. Because my blueberries aren't that sweet, so I really need to add a vinegar that's going to take this to the next level. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take half my greens and put them in my salad bowl here. This is probably good for 1 to 2 people. Okay, that's about half right there. Wonderful. Okay. Okay, next I'm going to take my feta cheese. So here's my feta cheese. I'm just gonna a little bit on top. Feta is very, very strong. This salad needs a strong cheese. You could also use goat cheese if you'd like. Totally fine. Just stay away from Parmesan. Anything kind of milder won't work for the salad. Okay. Next, my blueberries. Here they are. Toss them in. Wonderful. Okay, that looks great. Okay, I am going to add probably 2 tablespoons of my dry toasted slivered almonds. Some nice texture on the salad. Now, if I'm taking this for lunch, I also like to add a protein source. I would take some tofu and I would air fry it till it got really nice and crispy. And then I would put that on top of my salad and that would be my protein source. Okay, next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my extra virgin olive oil, here it is, and I'm just gonna drizzle the top. I'm probably using about 2 tablespoons. Now, as you see it, it's got a golden yellow hue. This is very fruity. It's got some wonderful acidity to it. You can't cook with this stuff. The smoke point isn't high enough. So this is really good for salads. So since you're putting it into your own body, definitely invest in a good quality extra virgin olive oil. You are worth it. Okay, next, I'm gonna go ahead and add a couple good splashes of this vinegar. You just have to find a store in your area that supplies high quality oils and vinegars. If you live in Washington State, if you live in my area, the Alderwood Mall has an oil and vinegar shop just in front of Macy's, and they sell all the good quality oils and vinegars. I've tried so many, fully endorse it. You can find them online. Bellingham sells a wonderful whole line of olive oils, and Accordes does. Message me if you can't find what you're looking for. But anything fruity, you can do a strawberry balsamic, you can do cherry balsamic, anything that is sweet. And there's so many different fruits, mango, pineapple, but try it. Okay, so I'm gonna add okay, that is about 2.5 tablespoons for that amount of salad, which was half of the box. Okay, I would recommend you put everything in the salad and then just take a little container of the dressing if you're taking it to work. Make sure you put the dressing last whenever you're ready to eat. Okay, finally some salt and pepper. I have this violet salt. This is salt that's made with a little bit of wine. Use whatever salt you have. Himalayan sea salt is more than adequate. Use that if you have it. Okay. I'm adding just a little bit because my feta cheese has a good amount of salt in it, so I don't need too much. Fresh cracked pepper, something so earthy about it. Wonderful. Okay, so I'm gonna give this a mix and then I'm gonna try it. Okay, I'm gonna put some in my plate here and dig in. These are my awesome cockatiels, Mr. Fammy and Miss Winter. They love joining me. They're in the kitchen all the time. No, he's not in the mood right now, but he will try something soon. Okay, so okay, so he loves eating nuts. Cashews are his favorite. He loves cashews, but almonds will do. Okay, you want to come here, little guy? Okay, I'm gonna try my salad. Little guy's gonna eat some almonds. Okay, so really aromatic salad. This is so delicious. I love the dressing. That sweet cherry balsamic vinegar just took it up so much. This tastes like a restaurant-worthy meal to me. The contrast of the feta really adds this tart, powerful bite. And I love these almonds. Make sure you buy toasted almonds. Oh, someone's scratching themselves here. Super good, wonderful for lunch, really well balanced. You gotta try this salad. And remember, there's no designated dressing. You don't have to work hard on this. It's super easy. Buy the vinegar, buy the extra virgin olive oil, and toss it together at work. Of course, you just have to put it together the night before. I really appreciate you guys joining me. Thank you guys for supporting my channel. I appreciate everything you do. I hope you and your family stay healthy and safe. Lots of love from me. Thank you guys. Yay. Can you say bye? Winter says bye to you all. Say bye, friend. Thank you.